here to show you our black and transparent steampunk print. It is a full meter, and it is black and transparent. Lots of base coat options. When I was cutting this print, it was laying on top of a sticky note. It was bright yellow, and that even looked kind of cool. Obviously, we're going to dip to a white speed shape, though. If you're looking for base coat options, we have I think we have 30 DTP colors in stock. And those are direct to plastic, no prep work involved. Shooting with, running low. Hydrographics activator, 1 minute soak time. Just needs rinse good, but that turned out all right. It is pretty large print. And we have a guest here. Asher has a message for you before we go.
Like us on Facebook and YouTube.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.